Now, especially important to our seniors is their health and wellness. You always have to pay attention to this. It's something that becomes more important as we grow older. And so there are apps that can help you with this. GoodRx is an app that you can get from the store, and what it will do is it puts your prescriptions in and tells you where it is at the lowest price. So you might be getting your prescriptions at CVS, but it'll tell you that it might be cheaper at Walgreens or your local grocery store. MediSafe and Pillboxy are for your medication reminders. So you can put in your whole calendar of medications, when you should be taking them and how much. You put those in, it'll actually give you a reminder that you need to take your medicine and when you're due for refills. Shopwell is an awesome app for our seniors that are on health restrictions. You can go in there and put what kinds of foods you need to be eating. Do you need high protein? Do you need antioxidants? Do you need anti-inflammatory foods? It will give you the food items, show you recipes, and so much more. Fiton is a free wellness and workout app. From beginner to intermediate to advanced, absolutely free, and it's all exercise programs that you can do. How about your Fitbits? Do you have a smartwatch? Those are fantastic. You can monitor your blood pressure, your steps, so much more, but you need an app to control it, right? Then you also have YouTube, and then there's yoga apps. There could be stretching apps. It's endless. So these are just a few. Screenshot this, check it out. Those are the ones that we love the most.